AI-powered money-making blueprint. Turn ChatGPT into your online cash machine. Introduction: a groundbreaking method that utilizes the power of ChatGPT, an AI wonder, to help you make your first $1,000 online. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. No face showing, no advanced skills required. Buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in! Step 1. Harness the magic of Ketal for graphics. Embark on a visual journey with the expansive realm of graphic design at Ketal.com, a platform adorned with millions of pre-made templates ready to spark your creativity. Delve into the cutting-edge landscape of AI-integrated design, where even those new to the craft can effortlessly craft visually stunning compositions. The standout feature of Ketal lies in its AI tool, a game-changing element that responds to prompts, swiftly generating personalized images within a matter of seconds. Now, let's translate this potential into tangible action steps for content creation. Kickstart your process by hand-picking a book within your chosen niche and verifying its availability on Audible, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with your preferences. Once you've identified the perfect literary companion, direct ChatGPT to weave its magic and create a concise yet compelling summary that captures the essence of the book. Elevate the visual allure of your content by importing both the book cover and an AI-generated image into Ketal, leveraging its capabilities to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your creations. In this creative journey, Ketal becomes not just a platform but a dynamic ally, offering tools that synergize with AI on your content creation process. The fusion of technology and design opens up a world of possibilities, empowering you to transform ideas into captivating visuals effortlessly. Step 2. Create engaging articles on Medium. Explore the vast canvas of monetization on Medium.com, a thriving platform drawing in over 138 million monthly views. Join for free and step into a realm where the art of crafting book summaries and articles thrives. Unleash your creative prowess by writing attention-grabbing titles and compelling summaries, tapping into the wellspring of AI-generated content from ChatGPT. Now, let's turn this creative endeavor into actionable steps. Begin by signing up on Medium, the virtual stage where your literary creations will unfold. Dive into the process of crafting your article, strategically integrating a minimum of 4 to 5 images to keep your readers thoroughly engaged. Elevate the visual appeal of your content by seamlessly incorporating AI-generated visuals from Ketal, ensuring a unique and captivating presentation. Remember to align your content with Medium's guidelines to navigate the platform seamlessly and avoid any potential issues. In this artistic journey, Medium emerges as more than just a platform. It becomes a dynamic space where your words find resonance and your creativity takes center stage. The synergy between AI-generated content and captivating visuals creates a harmonious blend that captivates your audience and establishes your presence in the vibrant world of Medium.com. Before we move on, Step 3, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Step 3. Monetize with Audible Affiliate Program. Now, let's unlock the enchantment by intertwining our articles with the Audible Affiliate Program. Audible presents an enticing offer granting $5 for each free trial sign-up and potentially an extra $10 for gold membership sign-ups. The beauty of this opportunity lies in the fact that your audiences doesn't necessarily need to make purchases. A simple sign-up for a free trial sets the magic in motion. To turn this magical prospect into reality, initiate the first step by signing up the Audible Affiliate Program. Once you have your affiliate links in hand, seamlessly weave them into the fabric of your Medium articles. Craft a narrative that invites users to explore Audible through your unique links, effortlessly earning you commissions with each sign-up. This strategic integration transforms your literary creations into not just stories, but potential revenue streams, adding a layer of enchantment to your writing journey. As you embark on this alchemical journey of combining storytelling with affiliate marketing, Audible becomes more than just a platform for audiobooks. It becomes a gateway to financial opportunities. Through your skillful storytelling and the allure of Audible's offerings, you create a synergy that transforms words into tangible rewards, proving that the magic of storytelling extends beyond the realms of fiction. Step 4. Perfect the content with Killbot. For a touch of authenticity and to prevent your content from being flagged as AI generated, incorporate Killbot.com into your workflow. This tool specializes in paraphrasing, allowing you to infuse a human touch into sections of your AI-generated summary. By pasting these segments into Killbot and utilizing its paraphrasing feature, you can retain the essence of the original content while ensuring uniqueness. Take action by seamlessly integrating this step into your content creation process. After generating your summary with AI assistance, transfer specific sections to Killbot. With a simple click, let Killbot work its magic to paraphrase and humanize the text. This meticulous approach adds a layer of authenticity to your articles, minimizing the risk of being flagged and ensuring your content resonates seamlessly with human readers. In the realm of digital storytelling, where authenticity is paramount, this integration becomes a valuable tool in your arsenal. It not only safeguards your content from potential issues on various platforms, but also elevates the human touch within the narrative. As you navigate the delicate balance between AI assistance and genuine storytelling, Killbot becomes your ally in crafting content that captivates without raising algorithmic eyebrows. Conclusion. Fantastic news! You've now unveiled a potent strategy to generate income online by harnessing the power of AI, Medium, and the Audible Affiliate Program. This method is tailored for beginners, keeping costs low while providing access to a realm of online earning opportunities. Keep the creative juices flowing, maintain consistency in your efforts, and witness your endeavors transform into tangible rewards. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.